Hi, and welcome to this Mindful Healing Moment. My name is Kimberly Murphy from Crofton Yoga and Wellness, and today I want to invite you to join me for a short grounding practice designed to help you reconnect with the earth, the breath, and the steadiness within you. We'll work with the words, I am present, peaceful, and patient with myself. So to begin, find yourself a comfortable seated position, either on the ground or in a chair, with your feet on the floor or your bottom. And it's okay if you want to take off your shoes and your socks and feel a little deeper connection to the earth beneath you, supported. And start to notice what parts of your body are touching the surface beneath you, what parts are lifted away. And as you feel that sense of touch and connection, also connect with your breath, observing the inhale and the exhale. And imagine that the breath travels down through the body to the earth below, like roots growing from your body into the ground. Each breath out, there's a deeper settling. And with each breath in, there's a drawing in of quiet strength. And I invite you to visualize yourself as a tree. Your body is the trunk, strong, supported, and steady. Your feet or your seat are your roots, extending down into the rich, dark soil beneath. And imagine that those roots moving through the layers of the earth grow deeper and deeper, steadying you. Each inhale, you draw in nourishment from the ground. With each exhale, you release what no longer serves you back into the soil to be recycled. Watching the breath flow in, the breath flow out. And Carl Jung once said, no tree, it is said, can grow to heaven unless its roots reach down to hell. He wasn't talking about literal places, but the inner balance between our light and our shadow. When we're deeply rooted, we can grow upward, even when life feels uncertain. As you feel yourself here, breathing in and out, say to yourself, I am present, peaceful, and patient with myself. I am present, peaceful, and patient with myself. I am present, peaceful, and patient with myself. And take a deep breath in through the nose. Let it out the mouth slowly. And feel that steadiness beneath you. And know that you can return to this grounded space at any time. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope this moment of grounding brings you a deeper presence and patience with yourself. And most importantly, that it helps you have a great day on purpose.